Alright, so one of the things I want to test next was the charging time and rate for a dead battery. So I've got a battery that's fully exhausted inside my hub here. I just put the little push the button there, you can see we've got no lights. So the battery is dead. I'm not exactly how much percent it's at, but what I'm going to do, you can see I've got my little meter here. I've got the time reset, I got the watt hours and the milliamp hours reset. So once I start charging, and I'm using the DJI quick charger that comes with the system, now what I'll do is I'll plug in the hub, and then I'm going to put a little time-lapse camera on here, and I'll be able to know exactly when things change when it comes to the charging cycle. So let me get that going and we'll take a look at the results. Alright, we got things underway here. It's actually charging at about 20 watts to start off with. That should come down a little bit. You can see the timer going there, so we'll know exactly how much time. We'll know how many milliamp hours we put in, and we'll know what the equivalent watt hours are that's put back into the battery when it gets to fully charged. The way this works is these batteries, once they get fully charged, they just stop charging, and so we should see the amp reading at the end there going to 0. Alright, looks like it finished. See if I can read the final numbers here. It went for an hour 23. It put 22.09 watt hours, 1832 milliamp hours, and from this I should be able to plot the data out.
C'est là que j'ai laissé mon cœur, c'est là que je viens retrouver mon âme, toute ma flamme, tout mon bonheur. Oh, quand je revois ma petite gare où les trains partent joyeux, j'entends encore dans le tintamarre des mots bizarres, des mots d'adieu. Je suis pas poète, mais je suis émue. Et dans ma tête, il y a des souvenirs jamais perdus. Un soir d'hiver, une musique, les yeux rêveurs, les tiens maman, tout un roman d'amour poétique et pathétique. Mais ni le montant, tout un roman